Again, following on from the previous video, let's take a look at key tracking and pitch modulation on the noise oscillator. In the previous video, I isolated a single transient. I turned fuse hits into a single transient by turning the noise oscillator into a one-shot. But what about pitch? Notice what happens if I drag this T1 modulator onto pitch. Note the source as note pitch. Did you hear the pitch change as I moved up the keyboard? You can see what notes I pressed down here. The left side, lower notes on the keyboard, and the right side, higher notes. This maps note position to modulation value. So you can see by using T1 and assigning it to pitch, this therefore makes note position change noise pitch. If I inverted this modulation source, and again, play from low to high, and again, look at the visual feedback here. The pitch now decreases. In this case, not in a helpful way. So I'll revert it back to normal, but you get the idea. It's a way of making note position modulate a thing. In this case, pitch. Think about it. If the transient changes in pitch as I change notes on the keyboard, then it will sound more like it's a part of the sound, and not this small thing added on afterwards. It sounds like it's a part of the instrument instead of a separate instrument. Noting you may need to change the pitch up or down, depending on what notes of the keyboard you play. Easy enough, but what about pitch modulation? This is a great way to make unique sounds. Here we have envelope 2 modulating pitch, where envelope 2 is a plucky shape. No attack, 0 sustain, and a normal length decay. So the pitch starts at the very minimum and then opens up to normal speed, normal pitch. Remember, in terms of samples, pitch is speed. To increase pitch, you play a sample faster, and vice versa. For example, actually, let's just delete it. So the higher the pitch, the faster the sample is played. Can you see what's happening here? Using Performer to create a rise over precisely 4 bars. Here again, envelope 2, modulating pitch upwards in this plucky shape, no attack and no sustain, but a much longer plucky shape, creating this rise. A perfect way to start a riser, and it's so simple. It's just a simple noise with pitch modulation. If there was no pitch modulation, it'd sound like this. One of the machines. And with a much shorter envelope, we can create punch. Here we have envelope 2, modulating pitch, with a very fast envelope. No attack, no sustain, and a very fast decay time. There's also some key tracking, but for this video, focus on the envelope. Envelope 2, modulating pitch upwards, very fast. Creating punch. Just like we did in synthesis, but on a noise oscillator. It's exactly the same idea. Thanks for watching.